Hello everyone, Caleb here with Texas Quality Assurance, and for this video we just wanted to go over a little bit about this required calibrations report. Now in order to get to this, you'll just come over here to this calibration and maintenance area. It should be towards the bottom here where it says calibration and maintenance report. And once you click on that, it's going to show you anything that currently needs your attention or will need your attention within the next 30 days, or whatever your interval is you have selected over here. So essentially, if this is blank, you either haven't entered in your equipment properly and you haven't assigned all the tasks, or you're caught up on your calibration. So that's what you want to see coming in here. Assuming all the information is populated properly, you'll see a blank report, because all this is showing is stuff that's either due soon or past due. And with if you remember from our other videos, and if you know about the TQA Cloud calibration method, we use either a date type interval, which is based in months. So if you say, hey, tell me every 6 months to calibrate this thing, or every 12 months, it's going to start showing up within 30 days. Now, if it's a quantity type, which is going to be more towards, let's say, maintenance, where it's 8,000 miles on 6,000 miles on an oil change, or 30,000 miles on a tire rotation, that kind of thing. That's going to tell you when it's within 10% of its due time. If you see a negative number here, that means you are past due. So you can see here, let's say this interval is 10,000, current quantity is 40,000, we're 30,000 past due. So you don't want to see negative numbers, and like I said, you really don't want to see anything on here. So one of the things you can do, let's say that you only want to see things that need an oil change. We're going to take them all at once, that kind of thing. You can select oil change over here. It's only going to show pieces of equipment that have an oil change coming up. Or let's say that you're wanting to come over, send a bunch of calipers off for calibration. So we can select caliper calibration. It's only going to show stuff, which we don't have any, that's for caliper calibration. That type of thing. Or if you have equipment that requires multiple tasks, or you only want to see a specific piece of equipment, you can select equipment here. Let's say that you've got calibration and maintenance tasks kind of intermixed, because these are based off of date or quantity. So if you do have some maintenance tasks that happen every 6 months, those are going to show up here as well. But what you have the ability to do is say, hey, I only want to see calibration stuff, or I only want to see maintenance stuff, that kind of thing. You can also set how far out in advance you want to see. So if you want to see further than 30 days, you can select up to 150 days up here. And so by doing that, we say, oh, we also got some calipers coming up here in the future also. So that's pretty much it for this. There's a couple other things you can do with sorting based off of the name and that kind of thing. But if you have any other questions, give us a call. And again, this is Caleb. Have a good day.